We are super excited because next week we're launching the Canto Cooking Club, an exclusive membership where you'll develop the foundation to cook and think just like a Cantonese chef. You probably know us from our recipes. And while recipes are great as a set of instructions, they don't teach you things like how to avoid wasting leftover ingredients, how to properly use a wok, or how to improvise when your flavors and textures are just a little bit off. In the Canto Cooking Club, we're not just giving you recipes. Daddy Lau is gonna give you the foundation to cook with more intuition. We cover the fundamentals, like how to set up your kitchen so you cook more often, how to master the Chinese cleaver, how to craft different flavor profiles, and a lot more. For less than the price of takeout, you'll learn to cook more effortlessly and intuitively by tapping into 50 years of experience from a master chef. As a member, you'll get instant access to our entire library, and every month you'll get a new class with videos, printouts, and mastery recipes. It's all on demand so you can learn at your own pace and not have to show up at specific times. You'll also be invited to our private community where you can connect directly with Daddy Lau and make new foodie friends all around the world. We host weekly challenges to cultivate better cooking habits, translated Q&As with my dad, and a lot more. Now, by mastering the fundamentals, you'll naturally remove the stress and overwhelm that often comes with cooking Cantonese food. So if you want to become more confident and enjoy cooking for your loved ones more often, join the waitlist for the Canto Cooking Club over at club.madewithlau.com.